Hi friends, in this episode I'll be showing you my method of making rice vermicelli upma. In market there are different kinds of vermicellis available. I have chosen the thin stranded one. I have the other one also to show you the difference. These strands are a little thicker and small pieces of strands, while the one which I'll be using, these are thin strands and they are long also. So this is the rice vermicelli. To make this upma we'll be needing one large onion which I have cut into long slices, 5 to 6 green chilies which I slit it to half, 4 clove, a small piece of cinnamon, few curry leaves, 2 lemon which I'll be squeezing their juice, coriander leaves which I'll soon finely chop it, few cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon of fresh grated coconut, cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of ghee I would be using, some salt and turmeric. Firstly, into boiled water I'll put my rice vermicelli, add some salt for this, just enough for the amount of vermicelli and water. In a pan I'm putting 1 teaspoon ghee, we will add cashew nuts to it, I want to lightly roast this cashew nuts. My nuts is roasted now. You see the rice vermicelli is done now. It just took like 2 to 3 minutes only. So we will drain it now and keep it aside. Now in the same pan I put some oil. This is cooking oil. Approximately, depending on the quantity of vermicelli, for the quantity of vermicelli which I have used, I would need like 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. So the oil is heated now. It's time to put our ingredients into it. The first ingredient that would go is some cumin seeds, my cinnamon and clove, the next ingredients that go is the green chilies, onion, add a little salt, just enough for the onions. Now I add little turmeric to it. Almost 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Stir this. Now goes the vermicelli. You should really be careful while boiling the vermicelli. It takes 2 to 3 minutes only. It's very fast to cook. So you should keep a close watch and then drain the water from it. Don't keep it in the water. I need to add little salt to this. Lemon juice. Approximately 1 tablespoon of grated coconut. You may increase the quantity if you want. Finely chopped coriander. And the roasted cashew nuts. And gently mix it. Taste it a little to see if your salt is enough. If required, you may add more salt. Also, if you need, you can add some more lemon juice to it. It's really easy to make this upma. My vermicelli upma is ready to eat.